Today we're at Newton 1, a freehold condominium in Prime District 11. I'm Hui Ying and I can't wait to show you this rarely available 2-bed plus study unit that's 1216 square feet, and it even comes with its own private lift. If this is something that you're looking for, then Newton 1 might just be perfect for you. But before we head up to this unit, let me tell you a little more about this project. Newton 1 was completed in 2009 and developed by HKCL Investments. There are only 91 exclusive units here, ranging from 2 bedrooms to 5 bedrooms, all of which come with a study. In terms of facilities, this condo has quite an extensive range despite being a small development. We have the 30-meter lap pool, kids pool, tennis court, gym, kids playground, BBQ pit, function room and an underground car park. It even has a sky terrace which has amazing views on the city. This sky terrace spans across the entire floor plate with many pockets of space for you to do your reading or meditation. There's also a huge space here overlooking the city skyline for you to host your friends and family. The biggest advantage of having a private lift lobby is really that you get to enjoy full privacy right up to your doorstep. And furthermore, it is really uncommon to find a private lift lobby for a 2+1 unit in today's new launch market. Stepping out into the living room, you will immediately realize how spacious this space is. And one of my favorite things about this unit is the fact that this wall is actually made of natural stone, which helps to add a lot of texture to the space. And if you place your TV here, you get a good viewing distance of 3 meters to your sofa area, which can be placed around here. And if you look up, we have cove and down lights, which helps to keep your unit brightly lit even on gloomy days like this. So moving on to the balcony, you'll realize that we have double glazed balcony doors to help keep outdoor traffic noises out so that you get a peaceful evening after a long day of work. So we actually have a good sized balcony over here that's just large enough to fit a dining set like this for you to enjoy a cup of coffee in the mornings while admiring city views. Additionally, this unit is southwest facing, so we don't get any direct west sun. So, a little bit more about the location. Just across the street, we have Newton MRT station, which is accessible via the side gate, and with major expressways connecting you to the rest of Singapore, this makes Newton 1's location extremely convenient, whether you're driving or taking public transport. Newton 1 is also within 1 km to ACS Junior and SGI Junior. Further out, but within 1.5 km, we have St. Margaret's Primary and Farrer Park Primary School. In terms of amenities, we are 5 minutes drive away to a few malls in Novena, namely United Square, Velocity and Square 2 for all your grocery and lifestyle needs. And the best part is we are only 5 minutes away from Singapore's Orchard Road district. Newton 1 is also just right next to the Novena Healthcare City transformation, which boasts a massive healthcare complex by 2030. For investors, this unit has a lot of potential because of the incoming pool of doctors, medical students and scientists who could be our future tenants. One of the biggest advantages of this 2+1 unit is actually this study space, because you can convert it into a home office or even a 3rd bedroom big enough to fit a sofa bed. This unit comes with both a dry and wet kitchen, which is extremely hard to find for 2-bedroom units, especially for new developments today. And a common theme across this entire kitchen is that we have plenty of storage space to keep your groceries and kitchenware. So over here we have a built-in Miller oven, a concealed fridge, and a dishwasher nicely tucked away in their corners to give you a nice and clean look. We're in a wet kitchen which comes with large windows for better ventilation when you're doing your heavy cooking. And on my left we have the gas stove and a cooker hook. And with that, let's check out the bedrooms. So now we're in a common room which is large enough to at least fit a queen-size bed, dressing table, and we even have a built-in wardrobe so you don't have to worry about storage space. And finally, we have the master bedroom. The owners have tastefully renovated the room to include this timber feature wall, which also comes with a backlight that runs from the wall to under this raised platform. Here you can fit up to a king-size bed should you wish to, with the platform extending out to provide you with a side table. And as for the ensuite bathroom, it comes with full marble finishings and a sunken rainforest shower concept. Lastly, how does the price of this unit compare to the average prices of new launch developments in District 11? Just next door, we have Pullman Residences, a freehold project to be completed in 2024 with 340 units, which sold at an average price per square foot of about 3,200. Down the street, we have 10 Evelyn, a newly completed freehold project in 2022 with 56 units, all sold at an average price per square foot of 2,897. Next up, the Atelier is a freehold project with all its 120 units fully sold and set to be completed by 2024. It has an average selling price of 2,680 per square foot. Lastly, we have Cooper and Newton, which is a 99 years leasehold project with 378 units. It has an average price per square foot of 2,606. That being said, in terms of finding a new 2-bedroom unit that comes with a study and is as spacious as 1,200 square feet, you'll realize that there is no new incoming supply in the vicinity, as the new projects do not have a 2-bedroom plus study configuration in their unit mix. This means that this unit is incredibly rare to come by in today's market. The prices of new launches are also higher than a unit's asking price per square foot by at least $200 to as high as $700 per square foot. Taking the Atelier as the closest comparable, the biggest 2-bedroom unit doesn't come with a study and it's only 915 square feet. It mostly transacted at over 2,600 per square foot at 2.46 million. So in order for these owners to at least make a 200k profit, they will have to sell at close to 2,900 per square foot, which translates to 2.66 million. Bearing this in mind, if you are entering Newton 1 at 2,400 per square foot at an asking price of 3 million, it is still considered safe as you could potentially have a runway for price appreciation in the future, since the surrounding new launches have been transacting at a higher entry price per square foot and can potentially go up to 2,800 to 2,900 per square foot in the future. In terms of comparing Newton 1 to other similar units in the resale market, there are currently no units with the same configuration and size. Overall, this unit is already beautifully renovated, comes with ample facilities, and is situated right in a core central region with a safe entry price. If this is something that you're looking for, feel free to reach out to me.